Most tourists in Ahmedabad don't even get to see this. This is my Ahmedabad architecture vlog part 2. I started my day at the beautiful Sept University. Designed by architect B.V. Doshi, this is one of the most famous schools of design in the country. Okay, so since Ahmedabad gets this really harsh sun, whichever side of the building faced north, he created these slanted windows with large expansive glass, and this way he was able to make a lot of light enter the building but not direct sun rays. This would reduce the heat inside the classrooms. Over the years, many architects have contributed to this campus. For example, this new library was made by RMA Architects, and it's a very interesting building because what you see outside is just the shell. The actual building is inside, shaded by this shell, protected from the harsh sun. Also, there are many little details in this building that I just loved. You see these glass blocks right here? Well, these actually become the skylights in the library floor below. After spending quite some time in this campus, I made it to this very unique structure. It's called the Gufa. So the story is, artist M.F. Hussain came to architect B.V. Doshi to create a gallery for him where he could display his paintings. He created a gallery that was buried inside the ground. On the outside, you see these domed shells that are finished in mosaic, and as you come inside, you feel like you have entered a cavern. But the thing is, none of these walls are straight, and you can't really display paintings here. So M.F. Hussain then decided to paint the walls of this structure, and today you are actually walking inside one of his art pieces. Honestly, it was such a beautiful space. Next up, I made my way to IIM, the old campus, where I saw this incredible building designed by architect Louis Kahn. It was such a beautiful space, and although the buildings here were fantastic, it was sad to see their current condition. I hope they could be preserved better. From here, I took a break, and after a quick shower, I headed out to see a very unusual project. So usually when I show you architecture projects, they are completed, but today I wanted to bring you to a construction site because there's something very special here. Designed by wall makers, this is an upcoming project in the city of Ahmedabad. The firm wanted to create a dynamic and interesting facade. They chose to create these curves using the masonry, which almost feel like a thick brick curtain draping the building inside. Okay, so this dramatic facade right here is made out of CSEB bricks. So this is the brick right here. CSEB stands for compressed stabilized earth block, and honestly they are much heavier than a regular brick. Made from cement, soil, sand and water, these blocks, which are compressed into their shape, are quite eco-friendly and are actually made from locally available soil. From this incredible design, I finally ended my day at the beautiful Kankaria Lake. I watched an amazing sunset here, ate some good food, and then finally headed back, because the next day we had a long drive to an incredible place.